What's up guys? Ryan here from RPS Dent Specialist, coming to you with another tool review on the Glexo cold glue repair systems. Let's check it out. So I'm bringing to you the Glexo cold glue. And they've got two different sets. They have their standard set and they have their hail set. I've currently been using both of them for a couple months here, and I absolutely love them. I'm a big smash guy. And with those big smashes, obviously you want to bring as much of that metal up at one time as you can to eliminate the pushes. Cleaner repair. So in their original set, they have a crease tab. They have a smaller round tab. They have a large round tab, and they have a wider crease tab. Now you'll see on these tabs, you see this oblong tab end that actually goes inside the slide hammer. Now I currently are using the Kiwi slide hammer, and the reason I'm using that, it is a little stronger. A lot of the guys were having issues with the end blowing off of their aluminum slide hammer because this stuff is so sticky. But this very end here, the oblong end, it slides inside of the slide hammer and just locks in. It just bites in there and works really, really well. And like I said, with this stuff, it is so sticky. I mean, you really have to use some force to get this stuff off. When the glue is cold, you have to knead it. And what I mean by knead it is pull it off this tab and just slowly kind of knead it and build some heat. I've used them all. I've used the Sergio's cold glue. I've used the sticky tab tape. But Glexo right now is by far the superior product out of all of them. I absolutely love this stuff. All I'm doing is prepping the panel, getting this on, and really yanking. It works fantastic. Now, they did come out with a new glue this year. So they have the standard white glue, that is the black that we've all been using for a while. And now they've come out with this red package, and the red package is for very hot weather. And what was happening was the glue was getting so hot, it gets stringy and gets sticky and gets all over the place in the hot temperature, that it was just such a mess. So they came out with a hotter glue. Works fantastic in the hot weather. This year they did come out with another product, and what that product is, the Glexo Hail Kit. Now this Glexo Hail Kit comes in a nice wooden package, and we all know Glexo's presentation to their tools is some of the best out there with woods and stains. And what it comes with 5 tabs in this package, and this package is like a rubber material to where if you want to use this to put your tabs in, you can, and the glue won't stick. So what you're getting with that is you're getting this itty bitty crease tab that I use all the time. I even use it on just little creases on doors, and it gets it out. It's a tiny little crease tab, works really, really well. And one feature that they've upgraded is this little rubber O-ring that is here. Now that O-ring just really grips it, really locks it in that slide hammer to where it's not coming loose. It came with 2 of these middle size small tabs, and then 2 of the small tabs. And you see how much glue I put on there. I put quite a bit of glue on there and just get it to stick. Now one feature I'm really enjoying with these hail tabs is, the reason they call it the hail tabs, is you're actually using it on roof rails. And what you do is, I've been using the Kiko 1-pound slide hammer. You slide it in there, lock it in, and you are just taking it on the rail and just going one at a time, one after the next. And with those tabs, unless you have a super, super sharp dent in that rail, obviously this is probably not gonna pull it all the way out. But a lot of the smaller ones, we've been able to fix a whole hail rail with just these hail tabs. So if you don't have these, you gotta go out and get them. They're just fantastic. Time saving, cleaner repairs. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything any better. So great job, Glexo. And I wanna show you some other products that they have that work really well with this stuff. Let me get those up on deck. Now, one product that Glexo came out was their preparation pads. Now these pads right here in these little packages are almost like little wet naps. And let me tell you, in the beginning I was like, well, we're using 91% alcohol or 99% alcohol. How much better can this preparation pad make it? But let me tell you, I've been using it on even hot glue, even the regular hot glue panels. Even though I spray it with 91% alcohol, the adhesion that these pads help with is fantastic. I can definitely see a huge difference on my larger complex repairs that we're doing and using Glexo. I definitely am using these pads more and more now. So they come 50 in a box. They're all individually wrapped packages. And what I actually end up doing is I actually end up using this pad a couple different times. And what I mean by that is I'll use it once, I'll put it in a Ziploc bag, and I probably get 1, maybe 2 or 3 times use out of this one pad. So that is a tech tip for you guys that do have these. But if you don't have these, go out and get them. They're very inexpensive and they make the adhesion of the product so much better. So what I do want to show you is you do have these wooden boxes that they come in. They're super nice. I wanted to make it easier on myself, and what I use is this little piano plastic divider case. And you can kind of see how I have it broken down to where each tab is physically in its own little space, and it seems to keep the cabs very clean, not very sticking to the sides, and works really well. And in this package, you're gonna see a couple different things that I'm using. And you're asking, what are those blue things? So Kiko came up with these little cold glue silicone rubber holders that these tabs fit in, and they're fantastic. And when I first got this kit, I was using little clear coverings, or say wax paper, that would go on there and you'd have to peel it off. This works awesome. You can see it barely sticks in there, stays in there, and it kind of keeps the form of the cold glue onto the tab. So Kiko sells all these. They sell a round one and they sell a crease size one. Now obviously for the mini tab, they don't have one that quite fits inside there, but this still works and I still use it every single day. And they also have the smaller size, which is here, to where the tab fits down inside here. This tab is still smaller than this circle, but it stays down inside that coupling. Now, if you guys don't have this cold glue system, either the hail set or the standard set, you need to go out and get them. And I've been telling guys for the last 6 or 8 months that this hail set is fantastic. The price point is right on it. And it's reusable. You know, it isn't like the hot glue to where you have to throw the glue away. You can reuse this glue as long as you keep it clean and it does not hit the ground, or if the vehicle's dirty, it'll last forever. So if you guys are really interested in this, make sure you go to Glexo PDR Tools, check them out, order. Like I said, it is a fantastic tool. I think it's definitely going to be in my ream of 2020 tools that I've used, is this hail set, time savings, cleaner repairs. So make sure you go check them out. You have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoy your afternoon. See you guys.